You guys might be wondering why I'm keeping buying new caves, and I have like I just got 16 more. I got 6 or 7 the last order, and I just purchased another 16 plus the 5 I just picked up. And there's more caves that I purchased that I didn't make videos on, and you guys might be wondering what am I doing with all these caves. So I am setting up a bunch of new Pleco tanks. There's actually space to add 6 more tanks like this. I guess 3, because I'm not really planning to use the bottom rows anymore. I'm only using the top rows just for convenience of water changes and stuff, and for filming. It's just not, it's not nice to have tanks on the bottom. You guys, you understand it, like. So for that purpose, I am gonna add 6 more tanks on one side. I'm not gonna use the bottom ones, just gonna have them there for when I move. And I do have space for 6 more on the other side. Probably not the same size, because the space on the other side is a few inches smaller, so I might have to go with a 30-inch instead of a 36-inch like these. But they're not going to be heavy tanks. They're not going to be large tanks. They're small tanks for small fish. So I'm actually doing all this stuff. Actually, I did move a bunch of stuff into my other room. This apartment is huge, so, and I'm not utilizing half of that. Even with all the stuff I have, I'm pretty much using half of my apartment. So I'm planning to do more in terms of arranging things properly and utilizing more of my space, and also preparing to move into a larger space. So before I move into the larger space, I want to utilize my space here to the max in terms of just making all the things I need for the new space. Have a lot of the tanks already pre-purchased, have a lot of the plumbing and the equipment that I need, so when I do move, I don't need to actually buy all that stuff. So since I do have the ability to invest a little bit more right now, and I am at home and I can do a little bit more, and so I'm actually planning on utilizing some of the income that I'm getting from selling fish into getting new equipment and tanks. So you guys will be seeing all of this.
Produced by Malik.
What is going on, world? Welcome back to Aqua Malik. Today's going to be a really fun video. I got a bunch of new stuff. I got 5 new caves. These were in a bigger box. I actually opened it at the post office and pulled these out and brought these into the house instead of bringing the entire box. It was really well packed. I'm really happy with this company. The caves were bought from Aqua Fresh. Not a paid advertisement. I paid full price for these. They don't even know I exist. But I'm quite pleased with this experience, so I decided I'm going to make a video for you guys. And I did actually order 16 more caves from this company earlier today. I just wanted to wait till these guys got here to make sure that they were shipped properly and everything was good with the caves that I ordered before I went ahead and ordered some more. So these are some of the designs I quite enjoy for my fish, and I believe my fish enjoy these caves quite a bit as well. So we'll be looking at these caves and a little bit more on the tanks and stuff. And a new video about my top 5 favorite Plecos is coming up right after this. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get updated when that video gets uploaded, as well as many other videos. It's going to have 5 different Plecos in a 10-minute video showing my 5 top favorite Plecos that is in my fish room, and talks a little bit about each one and shows you where you can find more information and stuff like that. Also, if you haven't checked out Sunday night's live stream, highly recommend checking that out. I'll put a link to it at the end of this video so you guys can check that out. It was really nice. It was really fun to see you guys joining my live stream. I think like 50 or 60 people in total watched it throughout the thing, and at some points there was about 20 people logged in watching the live stream, which was really amazing. So thank you so much for everybody that logged in, and everybody that hasn't checked it out, highly recommend checking the live stream. Without further ado, let's open these up. I'm hoping that they're not broken. It feels like they're not. They did a really good job packing them. It seems like they actually care, because I've bought caves from various companies in China before where I've had really bad experiences. Like 8 caves came out, they just put the 8 ceramic caves into a cardboard box and shipped it out. So they banged with each other and all 8 was shattered one time. So it's like really bad experiences buying caves from China in the past. So this was a really good experience, so I just wanted to share that with you guys in the video as well. Really well packed. Oh my god, they used an entire piece. See how much bubble wrap they used? Really nice. Really happy. So that's the cave. Oh wow. So that's the cave. Really nice. I'm really happy with it. Wow. It does come with instructions, which is really cool. The package on the thing is a real little paper that says I need to wash these before putting into the tank. These are perfect size for your zebra plecos. I'll put the dimensions at some point down below. I'm not going to put a product link because I'm not making any money off of it. So, but you guys can find these on eBay. So here's the second one. I'm not going to open all of them, but just want to see if they're all good. Yep, really nice, really well packed. Wow, really happy, really happy with this. This is a really good purchase. And I did order 16 more. So we'll be waiting for those to arrive in the coming weeks, and we'll do a proper unboxing of those when they arrive as well. Wow, look at that. All 5, no, not even a scratch on them. I'm really pleased with this order because usually when I buy ceramic stuff, especially from China, and pretty much anywhere for that matter, if they don't pack it properly, they usually end up breaking. And the broken ones bang with the good ones, and then they all break. So there's a lot of caves in my fish room that you guys probably have seen them. I've had to glue them back together, you know, just because I couldn't refund some of them. These guys do have a really good refund. So I'm really happy that they actually took the time to pack these properly. I ordered 5 and I got 5 perfect Pleco caves. See? Amazing. All 5 came out really good. I'm really happy with these. I'm really excited to put them into my zebra Pleco tanks. I got 16 more, so really excited. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you find value in this type of content, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification icon so you guys get updated when these type of videos as well as many other videos like this get uploaded. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I answer all questions in a promptly manner, and I don't think there's any stupid questions. Every question is valid unless it's not related to fish. I don't really answer those questions, but if it's a fish related question, I always make sure to answer you guys in a proper manner. And highly recommend you checking my friend Herrera's channel. I'll put a link to it on the description so you guys can check it out. It's a zebra Pleco breeder in Toronto, and he has some really good success with breeding zebra Plecos, and he has really cool videos on zebra Pleco fry and stuff like that, and grow outs and the transition phase and all that stuff. So highly recommend checking that out. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you all.